Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing just great. Hope you guys had a wonderful holiday, Christmas or whatever you call it, whoever you are, wherever you are around the world. And hope you guys spent some good time, quality time with friends, family, and good food and everything else. My Christmas was great. Had a wonderful time with family and friends. And sadly to say that this would be the last time we end up having a very large Christmas party at the house. Yeah, it's getting to the point where it's just too much work. And my nieces and nephews are all old enough to start having their own Christmas tradition and holidays. So we'll be going over to their house and making a mess, right? Right. All right. So what I got going on over here, it kind of looks like surgery, and it is a little bit like surgery. I've got to replace a 5-way switch that I ended up recycling in the, what do we call this? The Les Paul Strat or whatever it is. So I got some electronics got to pluck out of here and then replace with new. This 5-way switch, like I said, is faulty. The music that I'm listening to is CCJ Music, and you can find him on YouTube as well. I like listening to his music while I'm doing work. It's like calming, relaxing, and this is a Christmas song that he ended up making, which is very nice and very, very nice. And so if you ever had like a long, stressful day or something and you want to kind of relax a little bit, his music is like therapy. It'll kind of help you, achieve that relaxation that you're looking for and calming down from a long, stressful day. So this is not what the video is about, but this is another Christmas giveaway. So yeah, guys, today is after Christmas, and I know I didn't do it before Christmas because of the fact of, there's a lot of issues going on with FedEx, Amazon, UPS, and even some of the USPS that's going around, where some of these guys are, thinking they're being treated unfairly at work, want more or better, insurance and shit like that, and maybe some, more money as well. Which, as far as a lot of these guys go, I would say, you know what? They risk themselves, especially around the Chicagoland area, of having lots of issues and lots of problems. And I think that they all deserve a pay raise and better insurance and stuff. So anyways, today is going to be a giveaway for Christmas, actually after Christmas giveaway. And what I have to give away is and I hope I'm saying it right, because I think I'm saying it right, is a Flammer, I believe it is, FX100. And what's kind of cool about this thing is it gives you a bunch of options as far as guitar playing and being able to record, looper, and everything else. So let's go over a little bit of what this thing can do, and there's a picture of what I'm giving away right now. So here it is. This is the Flammer, I believe I said it right, FX100. So you got 55 classic and modern high quality guitar amp models. You've got up to 9 effects types for 151 different effects total. 10 user slots to load in your favorite third-party IR files, which is always cool. 26 IR-based factory speaker cabinet models. 200 preset patches, tap tempo function, a expression pedal allows you to control multi-values by a one touch, USB connectivity for PC editing and direct audio recording to the computer, so you don't need an interface. This thing will kind of do it for you. Fully functional looper with 80 seconds capability, headphone output for silent practice, auxiliary input, 40 drum rhythms and 10 remote metronome options. A GT or OTG function supports smartphone recording. So yeah, that's what's on the giveaway for Christmas this year. So a number from 0 to, let's see, I have 3,000 subscribers, so we'll go to 0 to 3,000. How's that sound? 0 being an actual number, okay? So you guys can go ahead, and if somebody wants 0 for a number, well, there's 0 is your number. The one thing that I kind of say with all of my number games is if you see somebody else who has the same number in the comment list, please change your number. First come, first serve when it comes to whoever picks a number. No arguing, no fighting over who wants what. You guys just have to deal with it and just pick a new number. Makes things a lot easier, less complicated. All right, guys, so that's what it is. This will be probably a week from today. So I want to say somewhere around, let's see, I got to look at the calendar. So a week from today is the 2nd of the new year. Yay! All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Got a Christmas giveaway going on. If you want to be a part of it, leave your number at the bottom. Sorry, only U.S. mailboxes only. I know it's kind of a pain in the ass for everybody else who's a subscriber to me and kind of like, want to get in on the action and you come from a different country or different state, is kind of, or different country more like it. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass. I'm sorry. I apologize. But, a lot of times the shipping of stuff is a little bit more than really it should be for shipping something out to other countries. But anyways, sorry, U.S. mailboxes only. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Take it easy. Have a good one. And enjoy the new year that's coming up. Hopefully it'll be better than the last.